What's going on YouTube, Matty here, welcome back to another video on the channel. And today on Ultimate Struggle we have another pack opening, so it's Friday. EA have released another batch of promo cards for World Cup, so we're gonna have a look at the new cards and then we're gonna open our 36 player picks. So yes guys, 78 plus, one of two, we've got 36 of them done for today's episode, and then after the player picks we've got over 20 packs to open as well. So another big chance of packing something spectacular on the channel. Hopefully we can manage. We haven't been so lucky in the last few episodes, so you know, fingers crossed we can do better this time. So Marlena, you know, we have faith in you. So guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy today's episode and the pack opening. Hit the thumbs up if you do as usual, and let's just jump into the game, have a look at the new cards and open our rewards. Enjoy guys. Okay guys, so we're in, and here is the new promo called World Cup Stories, and as you can see guys, the nice goldish yellowish design. We start with 92 rated Van Dijk, followed by Bale, 91 rated, Bruno Fernandes from Man United, 90 rated, then we've got Marco Asensio from Madrid, Leroy Sané from Bayern Munich, Richarlison 88 rated, and then another Brazilian, Dani Alves, so Barcelona legend as well, 88 rated, Marcus Rashford 88 left winger, Edinson Cavani, Alphonso Davies 87 rated, Kier 86 from Milan, Rabiot from Juventus, Meyer, Witzel, and Al-Sheri. So this is the new World Cup Stories promo released today, and we also have Team 2 of Icons, World Cup Icons. So I don't know if it's only these 7 cards available in packs, or is it the ones that been previously released plus these ones, I'm not too sure, but Baggio, Eto'o, Casillas, Shevchenko, Hernandez, Blanc, and Roberto Carlos are the new icons added into the game as well today for the World Cup promo. So guys, that's the new cards. We have something in objectives, I'm sure. World Cup Stories, Timothy Weah, so United States national, to be crafted in rivals or squad battles, 4 segments required for Weah. And then in in SBCs we have Steven Bergwijn against Brendan Aronson in the Showdown SBC, so another set of showdown cards, United States versus Netherlands. What else do we have? Hero is still here, and to be honest, I can't really see anything else new. Yeah, that's pretty much it guys. So just the new promo released, and then we've got the Showdown SBC as well, and I think that's us for today. So as I said guys, we have 36 of the 78 plus player picks, and then also over 20 packs to open in today's episode. So fingers crossed guys, we can hit a promo card, maybe a cheeky icon, who knows, we'll see. Marlena, it's all yours. So let's make a start. 36 78 plus. Start with a board. 83 Fabian Ruiz, followed by 85, which is really nice. 2 boards to start with. Another 83. So far so good. Only an 82 in the next one. 83 again, Thomas Lemar. 82 Onana. $81 Vlachodimos, and the first 12 is closed by a first walkout of today's video, 86 rated Kingsley Coman. Okay, some boards, one walkout out of the first 12. Let's see if we can get some promo cards out of them. Come on, EA, come on, come on, come on. 83. Okay, 84 Hummels. Not too bad. Tricky Lozano. Take Fernando because we already have Pereira. Okay. 85 Zule. Nice pull. Good fodder. Okay, we take Chilwell. Nelson Semedo. And number 24th, Nick Pope. Right guys, so only one walkout in 24, no promos. Last 12. Starting with Mark Bartra. Isak. Okay, Jean Felix 84, nice. Christian Pulisic. Come on, EA. Okay. 90 rated Mo Salah. Second walkout of today. Still no promo cards, but we are pulling some good cards. Some high rated boards, some walkouts, so not too bad, not too bad. 5 player picks left, but no promo cards as yet, guys. Mo Salah being the best player we've pulled so far. Okay, 84 Canales. We already have him, I think. He was the very first one. Yeah, take him. Okay, 2 left. We already have Kobel as well, so we take Bruno. And the last one, guys, come on. Martinez, 81. So no promo cards out of the player picks, guys, but no duplicates, so happy days. 2 walkouts, some nice boards, and we move on to the packs. I think that 84 plus would probably be the best chance. What? Oh, walkout? Germany goalkeeper Trapp, 86. Okay. Boards. Uruguay center back Araujo, 83. Who's still injured. Hasn't played a game in World Cup so far. Can't really say we are overly lucky in this episode. Can't even get these low rated new cards. Anybody at all. Right guys, the last 10 packs of today. Can we finish the video with a new promo card added to our collection? We got a board, and it's not gonna be Leo Messi, it's 84 Di Maria. Another board, and it's gonna be Zapata for the third time today. We packed him in the previous pack, and here we are with Zapata again. What a surprise from EA. Very surprised to pack a duplicate, like it never happens in FIFA. Very rarely you would get the same cards. Okay guys, how many we've got left? 8 packs. There's a couple mega packs, rare gold packs. Well, we shall see. Mega pack coming up. Just boards. 84 rated Havertz. Nothing out of the 2 mega packs. Simhan, it is 83 out of the second mega. Still nothing. You know guys, it's gonna be... Oh nice. Don't have him yet. Nice. Two ones. You know how it's gonna be. We're not gonna pack any special cards on the episode, and then I'm gonna get probably 5 of them in the coming days when I'm not recording, because it's always like that. Oh, walkout. Thought it's gonna be Ronaldo, but it's Ruben Diaz, 88 rated. We take walkouts. Oh my god, we already have them. Right guys, the last 3 packs are here. Yes! Simon Kjaer, another Milan player added to collection. Not the best pull, but you know me, we got a special card, I'm happy. Doesn't actually look that bad, like, you know, for center back, 80 pace, 88 defending. We're gonna have a look at him. Might actually go into the team because he's faster than what do you call him, Mascherano for sure. Well, we're gonna have a look. Might actually, you know, we've got 4 Milan players in the team, so he's gonna go in on full cam. Might be the move to go. Might actually test Mr. Kjaer. Yes, guys, we got one. 3 packs before the end. Finally packing a special card. Right, two more left. Rare mega pack. Nothing out of here. Just boards. Whoa! It was actually a walkout. 86 rated. Okay. We take Parejo. Shitty Sudamericana card. Right, 84 plus, guys. Come on, please, EA. It is a walkout, but only a gold one. Who's that? Alaba. 86 Alaba. Well, we got a few good walkouts, but no... Well, one special card. One special card today. So... actually not too bad. Some walkouts, so yes, I think we can consider it a success. Yes, guys, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching new episode of the Ultimate Struggle. And today we got lucky. We packed a special card. So World Cup stories were released by EA today, and we got Simon Kjaer card, 86 rated Milan player. So another player from Milan joins the team. We're gonna have a look at him. He could possibly go into the first 11, or we might just try him out in a few matches to see how good is he, and we'll see. Maybe he's gonna stay with the team. But apart from Kjaer, we also got a few walkouts, so that's good. Always nice to have some fodder for SBCs coming up. So if there is anything nice coming out in the next few days, I'll maybe keep the packs for the next video or something. But for now, this is it. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I shall see you in the next episode. Catch you later.